Effective design systems. In this section, we have to enter the efficiency of the systems that use electricity in the building. So this is basically first and foremost the cooling system. And we have made this overview table of the energy efficiency of various cooling systems. It can also be useful just to scroll to the bottom and have a look at this more graphical overview where we have the efficiency color-coded from poor efficiency, fair efficiency, good efficiency, and excellent efficiency. So there are different cooling systems. We have grouped them into basically three sections. One is called centralized chillers. And here they can actually range from poor all the way up to excellent. Then we have VRF systems, which can also have pretty big span. And then the last category of cooling systems are split unit systems, and they can't go very high on the efficiency scale. So there is this overview, and just for the record, the total cooling system efficiency, or the total system efficiency, TSE abbreviated, is both the cooling system, so that means the chiller and the pumps associated with that on the water side, but it's also the air side, so the air handling units or the fan coil units and so on. But it's quite easy to type in, because it's basically a multiple sort of a drop-down list where you can choose from these 10 different systems. So if you know you have a centralized system, and you know, in this case, let's say we want a water-cooled system with AHU, then you just choose that, and you can see on the efficiency side, it has a fair energy efficiency. So you're not allowed to type in any numbers. It will just choose sort of a medium number of efficiency, which is shown in this table. So in terms of kilowatts per ton refrigerant, it has a total system efficiency of about 1. If you use the COP, the coefficient of performance, then the total system efficiency is about 3.52. So the next one is the lighting power density. And here you again enter, here you can enter a number, and there's some guiding numbers up there. So we'll put 7 for that. How many watts of lighting power per square meter is installed in the building. On the electric side, we also have renewable energy, and we are interested in knowing what is the total area of solar panels installed on the roof. So in this case, we have 300 square meters of solar panels. Sometimes they can be a bit shaded, so you also have to indicate whether it's a very shaded solar panel, in which case we multiply by a factor of 0.5, so that means they only have half the yield of unshaded panels. Maybe it's slightly shaded, in which case it has 70% yield compared to an unshaded, or it's not shaded. So in this case, we just put slightly shaded. And it will calculate how many megawatt hours of electricity these panels will produce per year. And then we click